Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. If you're new to my channel and you're all about garden stuff and you want to learn more and grow a better garden, subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, click the bell icon, and you're going to stay up to date with all my videos, and it's 100% free. So today's video, I'm going to let you know my secret, what I've been doing, and how to speed up your cucumber plant to produce more cucumbers. Guys, as you can see, I just pushed this back here, and I wanted to show you right here. Look at these guys, beautiful, delicious. So this is one of my plant coming up here, and I'm pretty sure another one come right here. So I do have a bunch of cucumber plants, but not much as people think I do. So right here, guys, I want to show you almost every other day I'll harvest cucumbers. So look at this, guys. See that? Now the bottom tip is white, so this right, and the solid green on the top, rich, delicious cucumber, perfect, ready to pick. Most of my cucumber plant, guys, if you notice, like, look at this little leaf. I'll break it off. I pruned a couple leaves from the bottom. Look at all that weed. Any guys, you see weeds like that, pull all the weeds out. 3 days in the garden here, these guys will come back. So if you look carefully, I'll show you guys. That's the coming up of my cucumber plant. There is no leaves. I'll take out 3 to 4 leaves. It helps airflow, and it helps the bee, water, and the plants to produce more, the energy to produce more. The one thing to speed it up, guys, is harvesting. Believe it or not, guys, it's harvest. As soon as you see your cucumbers reaching a size, and say it's the first time your plant is actually producing a cucumber, don't let it overgrow. Don't make it turn yellow or ripe, and it's not about the size, guys. Don't make it grow giant. The longer you take to pick your cucumber, the longer you're training the plant to produce longer. So if you pick right away on point and you pick all of them, your plant automatically know it has to produce. So go ahead and prune and pick it out, guys. Don't wait like this right here. Like, this is how I train my plant. I'll come right here close up, snap it. So now this, my plant already know he's starting working to produce another one. So now more energy is going to go into this guys that coming right there. So instead of like having your plant waste so much energy and time to overripe cucumbers, it's pointless, guys. It's no good. You gotta watch some of these guys, they have spike. So definitely pick it, harvesting your cucumber right away. Do not let it grow and get ripe. The reason why you don't want that, it's your plant, as I said, you're going to train your plant the wrong way, and your cucumber is going to turn yellow. And once it turns yellow, guys, you're losing the taste. It's going to get bitter. The skin is going to get bitter. The cucumber itself is going to get bitter. End of the video, I'm going to leave one of my other video how to pick the perfect cucumbers and knowing the right time when to pick it. Right here, I'm going to show you. This is another one. The plant already used a lot of energy from this guy. He's already done. I'm going to pick him. See that? There's another one right there, small baby one. I'm gonna cut out that big one so the energy used more. So guys, it's like keeping the rhythm going. It's like keeping the plant going, keeping it flowing. There's no, look, come over here. There's another one. I'm not gonna wait. That's it. Pick it. Now, as I said, I gotta get my gloves. They have spikes in them. So now my plant is gonna use more energy to work on this guy. So if I had both of them on this plant, if I have both of them on this plant, they will use more energy to the big one and then put some into the little one, and it's going to take a long time to grow this. So by harvesting, getting rid of these big ones that's already done, now the plant's going to focus on the smaller one, and that's going to grow really fast. Look, there's another one right there. I'm telling you guys, look, I could see one more over there. There's cucumbers all over. Alright guys, so I just did a quick walk around. It's about to rain right now in Long Island, New York. As you can see, guys, I picked a bunch. Massive green cucumbers, delicious one, guys. And I'm telling you guys, you gotta harvest. You gotta harvest. Even like, see, this one is a smaller, but it started getting the yellow coming in. Even this should have picked like 2 days ago. You gotta keep up. It's hard to keep up sometimes. The one thing to do is to train your plant to produce more. And how to train your plant is to harvest more. Harvest even if it's a day earlier or 2 days earlier before, it's not a problem, guys. Do not wait for your cucumbers to turn overripe, oversized, and it's no good, and then it's bad. It's training. That's what I learned from my experience. It's training the plant the wrong way. If you harvest more, your plant will produce more. The longer you take to harvest, the longer your plant will take to produce. It's basically training your plant, produce faster. As soon as you pick your plant, it's already all right. I'm gonna start producing more. I'm giving more energy to the baby ones now. If you guys want to know when is the perfect time to harvest the cucumber, I'm gonna leave the video end of this video. Go ahead and check that video out, guys. It's basically letting you guys know the perfect time to pick a cucumber. Alright guys, so hopefully this video was helpful, and as you guys could see, I always harvest cucumbers in GreenTGarden.